Yeah, we are recording now. This is the beginning of the SciNoj Light 1 conference. We are a few people who are already here at this beginning. Gradually, more people will join and leave throughout the day. It is a conference across a few, or actually many time zones, and different people will be joining from their time. And uh, I'll share the screen for a moment and we'll discuss a few things just as a beginning. My name is Daniel. I am a community organizer at the SciNoj group. And also here we are with Adham and Adi, who are also hosts of this conference. And maybe Adham and Adi, you wish to say something brief for this beginning of this recording about yourself?
Very briefly, my name is Adham. I am a backend developer and data analyst. I work with the Clojure in my day job, and Noj pretty much powers the entirety of my workflow. I'm very happy to be here with Danielle, the Adi, and all the amazing people and the presenters that will come. This is a really, really awesome sort of milestone for the community. And yeah, very lovely and very honored to be here. Adi, take it.
Hello, I'm very happy to be one of the hosts in SciNoj. Thank you for the invitation, Daniel, and very happy to be in this crowd. I like being part of like small networks and small very cozy conferences, and it feels a lot like that. And also like this is a simulation, so it's not real; it's just simulated, not reality. Uh, so yeah, I will be your resident goofball on the conference. So feel free to relax and chat and ask questions and feel very okay with whatever's going on. And I blog about Clojure at sometimes at evalapply.org, which is my website. Lots more stuff there. Back to Daniel.
Thank you so much. Yeah, and by the way, can you hear me okay? Yeah, thanks. That's something we should ask from time to time. That's the way we never know whether we are being heard well, right? And so please, anytime, if anything is not right, then it would be good to tell each other. And here I'm sharing the screen now, and I think you see the SciNoj website, just moving a few things around, and that is the website of the SciNoj group, which is organizing this conference. SciNoj is an informal organization, mostly unfunded, though a few of the usual open source funding ways have been supporting this group a little bit during the years. It has been existing for 6 years, and uh, these days a few parts of what SciNoj has been creating in terms of data analysis libraries and tools in Clojure, and also the whole ergonomics and workflow around that have been maturing, and now we are sharing that in a conference. And you can all see the conference website. That's where we can see the schedule and follow that. Everything is in UTC time zone. So right, you can see this is the UTC clock. And so here we are at the moment, slightly at the beginning of the hello part. And in the beginning, we'll have these two talks that are more of the practice session and then a data analysis talk and so on. And yeah, we have some time now to chat if anybody wishes to say anything or ask anything. And also we'll mention the Zulip chat. It is recommended to spend some time, get used to Zulip and the ideas that it has those channels on the left, and that channels have topic threads. So here we're seeing the SciNoj Light channel and the topic threads under that channel. And I see, Adi, that you shared something. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, and right, and so we recommend that all communication will be here at Zulip, and you see that we shared uh, the Zoom link, and also, yeah, in a moment, thank you, the Zoom link, and also this live cast that we are, casting to YouTube as an unlisted video in case anybody wishes to go back and listen to something. Adi, you were going to say something?
Yes, I just wanted to add that clicking on the SciNoj Light, the pound sign SciNoj Light channel name opens up a search box below it. And you can search for the topic underneath that and it will narrow show all topics. You can filter topics like that. It makes it easier to get around inside the channel. And like as hosts, we will also share the direct link to the topic in the Zoom chat. So you can always refer to it, click that to jump straight into the topic because sometimes it might not be obvious which topic we are speaking about. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is so helpful. And by the way, we have Kiran here with us. Kiran is also a host in the conference. And if you wish, Kiran, to say something about yourself, that would be great.
Sure. Hi everyone. I'm Kiran Kulkarni. I work from India. Currently, I'm mostly working in AI product development. We run a small consultancy agency from Pune, India, called Unravel.tech. Reach out to us.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Yeah, we have a few more moments. Does anybody wish to ask anything or propose or have, share any thought about anything? I'm still sharing the screen, just to get used to the idea that we will be using the Zulik chat a lot, right? And so under the SciNoj Light, maybe I'll demonstrate it again. You can show all topics and then you're focusing on that and you can search for questions. So here we can ask questions, right? And like what is UTC time zone, right? And that that's the way the schedule is planned, right? So here we can share a link. Right? So that's UTC time zone. Right, so yeah, let us keep asking and answering questions over there as Adi proposed. And yeah, any thoughts, any ideas about today, about tomorrow? No? Maybe I'll share another thing for now that we'll keep mentioning throughout the day. And that is that tomorrow we'll have a special session, the first macro expand session. It will be a community session where we will be sharing ideas for future projects that we wish to begin. In a way, begin for the next conference that will be of a broader scope. This conference is a data analysis conference, but the next time will be not only about data analysis, but about different fields for where we wish Clojure to grow and be more present, like teaching and research and art and so on. And in this session, we'll have this opportunity for anybody to share ideas, proposals for new projects, for things you wish to see happening in the Clojure scene during the coming few months ahead, and things you wish to see happening in the next conference that will be of a broader scope. So that will be a way of, beginning some new things together and thinking about that. And it will, part of that will have the form of lightning talks, for, somebody talking for a few minutes about an idea. So if anybody wishes to share anything over there, it would be good to say something about that. And maybe let us, just practice that and say, yeah, let us write here that this, if anybody wishes to propose a topic to be discussed at the macro expand one session, let's maybe link to that session. Yeah, I'm glad we're spending this time with the website so we can see how things look and so on, right? So here I'll share a link to the session. Yeah, And that's something we'll kind of do a little bit during the day. We just share how we do our Zulip communication. The point is that that's the way this community works. And, people who wish to get involved in the SciNoj community, in Clojure for data analysis and other topics are very much invited to get comfortable with the Zulip chat. And that's why we'll kind of be practicing that a little bit today. And yeah, great. Maybe we'll take a break of a few minutes, unless there is any other comment or thought before we begin the first talk. Yeah, great. So see you all in 5 minutes, and then we will begin.